It's my pleasure to welcome you all. Today, we are going to read a book titled, Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Life. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on bell icon for new video updates. To begin, quotes by William Wordsworth. Life takes courage, be brave, Pete. If you don't know where you're going, any path would get you there. Quotes by Lewis Carroll. Go with the flow. Thanks, Pete. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Quotes by Confucius. Keep it simple, chill out. Thanks, Pete. Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light. Quotes by Helen Keller. Far out, with friends you are never alone. Thanks, Pete. Opportunity is missed by most people because it comes dressed in overalls and looks like work. Quotes by Thomas Edison. Amazing things happen when you work hard. Thanks, Pete. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Quotes by Wayne Gretzky. Go for it. Thanks, Pete. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that an airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Quotes by Henry Ford. Groovy, if you try, you can fly. Thanks, Pete. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Quotes by Oscar Wilde. If you want to be cool, just be you. Thanks, Pete. Make each day your masterpiece. Quotes by John Wooden. Look for the good in every day. Thanks, Pete. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. Quotes by Pablo Picasso. It's cool to color outside the lines. Thanks, Pete. You must do the things you think you cannot do. Quotes by Eleanor Roosevelt. Nothing is impossible. Thanks, Pete. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Quotes by Ralph Waldo Emerson. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Thanks, Pete. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. Quotes by Plato. With a smile and a little kindness, you can make someone's day better. Thanks, Pete. This too shall pass. Quotes by Unknown. Above the clouds, the sun is always shining. Thanks, Pete. A meowing cat catches no mice. Quotes by Yiddish proverb. Don't talk too much. Thanks, Pete. I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Quotes by Thomas Edison. There are no failures, just lessons. Thanks, Pete. Everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Attributed to Albert Einstein. Being different is very cool, and there is something everyone can do. Thanks, Pete. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tunes without the words and never stops at all. Quotes by Emily Dickinson. Don't lose hope, keep on rockin'. Thanks, Pete. Most folks are as happy as they make up their minds to be. Quotes by Abraham Lincoln. Be happy. Thanks, Pete. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. Proverb. It can get tough, but you are tougher. Thinks Pete. A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something he can learn in no other way. Quotes by Mark Twain. Dude, don't even think about it. Thinks Pete. If music be the food of love, play on. Quotes by William Shakespeare. Keep strummin'. Thinks Pete. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Quotes by Dalai Lama Ziv. Kindness starts with me. Thinks Pete. A well-spent day brings happy sleep. Quotes by Leonardo da Vinci. It's a good day? Feels Pete. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on bell icon for new video updates.